Hello everyone, you are welcome back again. We are going to solve for the value of x from this radical equation. We are given that fifth root of 7 to power 12 plus 7 to power x over 7 to the power of x plus 7 to power 2 is equal to 7. Then what is the value of x that will satisfy the equation? So the given equation is what? Fifth root of what? Fifth root of 7 raised to the power of 12 plus 7 to the power of x then over 7 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of 2, which is equal to 7. So recall that when we have square root, to cancel the square root, we square both sides. When we have cube, to cancel the cube, we cube both sides by raising both sides to the power of 3. Here we have fifth root. Now to eliminate this fifth root, we are going to raise both sides by 5. So we raise the left hand side by 5 and also the right hand side by 5, so that this power 5 is going to cancel the fifth root. So we are left with just 7 raised to the power of 12 plus 7 raised to the power of x over 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 5. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to cross multiply. So here we have 7 to the power of 5. This can also be written as well, 7 to the power of 5 over 1 for easy cross multiplication. Now this multiplied by this is going to give us what? 7 raised to the power of 5 into 7 to power x plus 7 raised to the power of 2, which is going to be equal to 1 multiplied by this is the same as 7 raised to the power of 12 plus 7 raised to the power of x. So the next thing we are going to do is to expand this bracket. So here we are going to use what is outside to multiply everything inside this bracket, each term in this bracket. So we are going to have 7 raised to the power of 5, then multiply by 7 raised to the power of x, then plus 7 to the power of 5 multiplied by 7 to the power of 2. So since they have the same basis, we can just add the power. So this is going to give us 7 raised to the power of 5 plus 2 is going to give us 7. So everything will be equal to 7 to power 12 plus 7 raised to the power of x. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to bring this term with power x, we're going to bring them together so that we have 7 raised to the power of 5 multiplied by 7 raised to the power of x. So when we take this positive 7 to power x to the left hand side, become negative 7 to power x, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 12. And when we take this 7 to power 7 to the right hand side, become negative 7 raised to the power of 7. So the next thing we're going to do is to check if we can factor out anything in common. So if you check the left hand side, 7 to power x, 7 to power x is common. So we're going to factor out 7 raised to the power of x, then we open bracket. So 7 to power x divides 7 to power x to cancel. It will remain only 7 raised to the power of y or 5 minus 7 to power x divides 7 to power x is going to be 1. So which is going to be equal to, here 7 to power 7, since the bases are the same, 7 7, so 7 to power 7, this one that is least, we are going to factor it out because this can go into this. So we are going to factor out 7 raised to the power of 7, and 7 raised to the power of 12 divided by 7 raised to the power of 7. So we just subtract the power. So it's going to be 7 raised to the power of 5 minus 7 to power 7 divided 7 to the power of 7 is going to be 1. So now if you check these two brackets, you know that we have common thing in the bracket, 7 to power 5, 7 to power 5 minus 1 minus 1. So we divide both sides by 7 to power 5 minus 1, and also here by what, 7 to power 5 minus 1, so that the whole of this will cancel and this will also cancel. Remember, this is bracket, we just divide everything by 7 to power 5 minus 1. So we are left with just what? 7 raised to the power of x in the left hand side, which is equal to 7 raised to the power of 7. So we have already reduced this equation into this form. Now what do we do next? So what do you notice? The bases are the same, 7 7. So we just equate the power. So the first power is x, which is equal to the second power, which is 7. So therefore 7 is the value of x that satisfies this radical equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks.